See me up the lane and down the lane. You could see me down the Jesus lane. You could see me at the walk of fame. You got the name without the fame. The train, the plane, the blood in the vein. The train, the lane, memory and lane. Walk a lane of fame, the name of the fame, we just the same. Everything remained the same. Everything that God created remained the same. But nothing in the world almost remained the same. We put him to sin and shame. We beat him, make him feel in the pain. I made the blood dry out in vain. Every put him to sin and shame. Lost the hymn and lost the fame. I don't play, you crazy game. Up the lane and down the lane. Remember lane of Jesus lane. Walk of fame, say my name, Jermaine. You see me just a walking right away until me walking on Broadway. I beg you move out my way. I didn't come here to stay, but on my knees, you know I pray. This world is not my own. Nothing in the world I do not own. Skin, flesh, and bone is not my own. Man of your own when the fire ain't gone home. I'm just the same, I'm just the same. Don't put him to sin and shame. I'm just the same, a lesson to learn. I'm just the same, I'm just the same. I'm just walking down the lane, walking down Broadway lane. And say my name with the blood in my vein. I'm on a brain, don't put him to shame. I'm just walking down Broadway. I beg you move out my way. And my, you know I pray. Don't you ever have another day. And so just enjoy today. Another day, you know, to shine. Not too mean and not too kind. And just stay out of war and crime. Don't need to commit a crime. And drink of Jesus, make and mine. And not too mean and not too kind. I just want you have a clear mind. Mm. See me up the road and out the road. Show the post, no running close. The water hose, cause everybody knows. And show the post, and show the post. And scream my Lord under the clothes. We're just the same, we're just the same. I say we all feel in pain. Don't put him to shame. Just give a helping hand. Because we all make mistakes. You make me sleep, you make me wake. You make me cook food and eat. You make me kiss a lip above the cheek. Until we call it 7 days a week. Until we call it tight and sweet. Until we call it go to the beach. The summer heat, food we eat. Unique, relevant and sweet. You go to bed, you know, and sleep. Keep him up, him just too weak. Can't come out the bed to eat. You can't go in the bed to sleep. And put the shoes, you know, on his feet. Another toothbrush to brush him teeth. Another sheet to spread the bed. Another shoes over the head. Another hat, you know, on the head. Another shoes, feet over the toe. Don't make time run red. No make the blood come out and head. Every mouth, you know, shall be fed. Everywhere you go, we're just the same. We all are royal family. But some of us, like we want to rewrite history. The way God created His world. All of us is royal family. And we must honor one surname. Who changed your name, who played the game. Take back your name, I don't need your name. I said this world is not my own. This world is not my own. This world is not your own. Nothing in this world will do not own. Skin, flesh, you know I'm bone. Now we're fighting over meat and the bone. Now we're fighting over honeycomb. Bees make honeycomb in a rock stone. Another ice cream cone. Instead of another scene or cone. More meat, eat up the bone. Please don't lick him with a stone. Mind up your own and cruise around. For a girl, let you hear down. In a town, another town. In a bed, you know you lie down. Food to digest down. Rain fall, tide the river come down. The rain fall, the land slide down. I never see no falling down. Outside the hell, just falling down. The wind hit another tree down. You're the man, you're the girl. Man upon and cruise around. Not too kind and not too mean. In the bed in Calgary, you don't sleep and get a dream. Inside the rope right in. Keep everything well clean. Bits of paper, pick them up. And pick them up and can't get enough. Hugging up and just kissing up. Until 2 foot up enough. Until it make a wishing up. Until 2 hands put up. Tell him baby sit up. Palm the flip up until the dig up. I beg you live long and don't split up. I beg yourself. Don't you have a mouth to sing? Oh, you can't do a thing. You must be a statue. But listen, Kimberly. Just stop telling he or she have no sense. You getting upset and the problem start because hungry statue no have no sense. Hungry rock stone no have no sense. Hungry tree no have no sense. It's the pain and trouble. You love to diss someone. How you feel when you start this you? You need to stop it. You don't like it? You the first one, don't do it to anyone. We're just the same. If you're a world girl, she wear panty like you. If you're a world man, you wear a brief or a boxer like you. Although we not buy no clothes, but we wear clothes. You see how terrible it is?